Hey everybody, I'm Joey and today I'm back with another bite-sized cooking hack. Today I'll show you how to take a whole wing just like this and break it down into traditional cuts for the flat and the drummy. So follow me and let's cut it up. You can often buy these whole wings for much cheaper than you can the individual cuts, and I think they're usually a little bit better quality too. So let's look at the three parts of a chicken wing. Right here we have the wing tip, right here we have the flat or the wingette, and over here we have the drummy. Let me ask you guys, what part do you prefer the most, the flat or the drummy? Let us know in the comments below. Now, I always struggled with this until I visited Sugar Fire Smokehouse and Chef Mike Johnson, where he showed us how to make his smoke-a-fried chicken wings. And he took whole wings like this and broke them down right in front of the camera. So let's go ahead and try this. Now you'll see some of these over here, I've already removed the wing tip. A lot of times I'll just go ahead and use a pair of kitchen shears to do that. But what Mike was telling us is there's a little trick you can use to pop that and feel where that opening is. So it's right in there. And you just come in just like that and cut through, easy. And then you reserve this, make some great chicken broth. Now, that was always the easy part for me and the part I was accustomed to, but this part right here was a little bit harder, but thanks to him, it's not anymore. So what he suggested, again, same thing here, you just can pop that joint and find out where it begins to separate. And then just take your knife and come on through. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, that was actually very easy and much easier than I've done it in the past. Not a smooth cut because I got a little bit of bone, but let's try it again. We'll keep going here. And we got it, it worked. But, I mean, this guy was like cutting through butter with this thing. Well, as you can see, I'm still working on this technique as well. There it is, right there. Super easy. Look at that. Completed them all. We're gonna use these wings to try a new experiment. We're gonna try air-fried chicken wings versus deep-fried chicken wings, and then our favorite part, test the results. So that video will be out in the next couple of weeks. As a matter of fact, we have a lot of chicken wing videos on our channel. I know, red meat lover, chicken wings, white meat. Look, if you take a close look at our logo, you're gonna see our little friend hide right inside, okay? So if you like this video, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and hit that big thumbs up, like button, or even better, subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss an adventure as we release a new video every single week. I'll see you guys soon.